What's up? Here with the order for the snake draft. Here's our list. Same list on the randomizer. No snake eyes. The order we end up with will be what we draft 11:14 a.m. Central Time. Here it is. We'll roll dice. No snake eyes. It's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brendan, you have first pick. Terry, Bill, Steven, Zach, Terry, Steven, Yuval, Derek, Thorley, Johnson, Zach, Reed, Rick, Patrick. That's our order. Works out pretty well for everybody in here. I think there was a $10 variance in value of teams between outside of the Minnesota pick. So done. Time is 11:15. Good luck, everybody.